Are you looking for a Florida golf community that feels like a five-star resort, where you can start the day at the fitness center, schedule your afternoon massage at the spa, and then end your day with a wine tasting, all without ever even leaving your neighborhood? My name's Nicole, and welcome to my Lakewood Ranch series, where I take you on a tour of one of 49 and counting communities within the #1 multi-generational community of Lakewood Ranch, Florida. We're gonna cover everything so that you have all the information you need to make the best choice for you. And stick with me, because towards the end of each video, I try to take you on a tour of a featured property within each community. Today, we're visiting Azario, and Azario is a large community made up of 3 sections. That is the luxury golf community of Esplanade at Azario, and then you have your more family-friendly, flexible living options over at Park East at Azario, and then the newest section of townhomes that offer the most low maintenance and investor-friendly options available. We're starting out at the most luxurious and lifestyle-driven community in all of Lakewood Ranch, Esplanade at Azario. Esplanade at Azario is located in the northeast section of Lakewood Ranch, Florida. You are about maybe 15 minutes to the University Town Center Mall, one of our most popular shopping areas. And you're also just about 40 minutes or so to our #1 voted Siesta Key Beach. And this is a golf cart friendly community. You also have about, this section is about 1,300 homes. Now, it's not to be mistaken for Esplanade Golf and Country Club, which is actually located just a little further west from here. Homes here, the first home was completed and sold in 2021. And you also have all the amenities are completely built out and finished, so ready to enjoy when you move in. You are allowed 1 month minimum rentals here in this community, and the lots, which we'll go into further detail later in the video, but they range from 52 to about 80 feet wide. So a decent sized space lot. Now, Esplanade is a Taylor Morrison community. This is a fully gated and secure community, and you will also only find single family homes in this area, this Esplanade at Azario community. Now, 850 homes in this community are deeded golf homes. So they are transferable, they stay with the home. It's not a membership type thing. Once you buy into the community, you have the golf membership included with your property. The golf community has actually, or the golf membership has actually become private. So if you don't have the membership, it's not open to the public. And you know, that's a lot of people that live here love that, because they know that they have much more options when they want a tee time or when they want to fit in a game. Taylor Morrison homes are energy efficient and smart home. They come with smart home packages. You'll also find hurricane rated shutters, and this is a natural gas community as well. So you'll have your cooking, your pool heating, and even generator fuel as well if you want to hook up a generator, a whole home generator. You'll find quick move-in options, and you'll also have the option to choose your lot and customize your home. So depending on what you need, if you need to move in quickly, use that. If you have the time to do your own new build, you can do that as well. And this is really ideal for retirees, for second homeowners, because you can lock and go. And it's great for people who want that resort lifestyle between tennis and golfing, and it's all right here at the Esplanade. Now, what sets this golf community apart are its luxurious resort amenities. You obviously have your 18-hole golf course here, but there's also a 15,000 square foot club center where you'll find your fitness center. That's where the spa and the salon is located. That's where the cafe is located. It's also where the bar and restaurant is located, and then your resort pool is located there as well. Now, this pool is heated year-round, and they have the Bahama Bar located just off poolside. So it makes for a really nice place to grab a quick bite to eat for lunch, or wind down at the end of the day with a drink and a dip in the pool. The Wellness Center has its full service, so you can schedule massages, manicures, pedicures, salon services. It is truly a full-service wellness center. The vibrant fitness center includes an aerobics studio where they schedule classes all the time, and there's a vitality center as well where it's more of a flex space that you can use for whatever you choose. There are plenty of ball courts if that's your thing. There is tennis, of course, pickleball, and then again, your golf as well. And there's just so much to do here. There's a full-time lifestyle director who's not only scheduling physical activities, but also community events to bring the community together throughout the year at different times of the year. So if you want to be busy, you certainly can here. If not, it's your choice. So whether you're working out, winding down, or just connecting with neighbors, this community feels like a year-round vacation. Homes here at Azario are designed to blend the indoor-outdoor lifestyle that so many people move to Florida for. You'll find energy efficiency, comfort, and all the modern luxuries that you could be looking for. You'll find villas and single-family homes here in this portion of Azario, Esplanade at Azario, and you have the options of 2 to 4 bedroom or 2 to 3.5 bathroom floor plan options, which we'll go through more in detail later. But they start around 1530 square feet and go up, and also start in the mid 400s and go up to well over $1 million, depending on the floor plan and the finishes that you choose. Many floor plans are open concept with gourmet kitchens, stainless steel finish packages, and quartz countertops as well. You'll find massive islands and plenty of space to entertain in these homes. So now let's talk about the fees, which really make this a valuable community to invest in. You are looking at monthly HOAs of $300 to $700, so $300 to $700, depending on whether you are on one of the deeded golf community lots. So again, they run that golf deed membership runs with the property, which actually offers an incredible long-term value if you think of it. Once you buy in, you're in, and there's no more initiation fees, there's no more annual fees, you just pay your cart fees. Now here we are in a CDD community, so those fees range anywhere from $1,600 to $2,200 a year in addition to your property taxes, and that just depends again on if you are in a golf deeded lot or not. Many of these lots offer either a preserve, a waterfront, or a golf view. And all homes sit outside of a flood zone area, and they are built to hurricane standards with roof securing, and again, the windows and doors are hurricane impact windows and doors as well, which can certainly help you with your insurance rates. Real quick, I help families like you all the time who are looking to move to the Sarasota, Lakewood Ranch, Florida area. So make sure and hit that subscribe button, turn on those notifications so you don't miss another valuable video. Let's get back to it. Today, I'll be taking you on a tour of the Farnese model. It's a 2 to 3 bedroom with option flex room, or 2 to 3 bathroom as well, depending on which choice you want. This is right around 2,100 square feet with a 2-car garage. You also have the option of doing an outdoor kitchen here, and you can either have a preserve or water view. Let's go take a look at this beautiful home. At Azario, you will immediately notice this is much more of a larger or family-oriented neighborhood. This is where you can find your larger homes starting right around $1,750 and just going up from there. You also have all of your 2-story homes here. You will not find that in Esplanade at Azario, or obviously at the townhomes, you'll have the 2-story townhomes, but you won't find them detached because they're townhomes. So here you'll find your 2-story homes The HOAs here are also around $220 a month. You have your own dedicated amenity center with a pool, a sports park, so it's a big field, a ball field, and a bark park, so a dog park area. And that's the amenities here. You are not forced into a golf membership here. It's not bundled as part of your deed. So that if you do want golf, you will have to purchase your own separate membership until the Esplanade goes private. So while they're still public, they are offering memberships to the public, and you could get that here. Now, homes here, as I mentioned, they start in the 3-bedroom and up, and 2.5 bath and up, and 1,700 square feet and up. And the lots are also larger here. You'll find your wider lots here that go up to 80 feet frontage here, because you have your wider and larger homes here. But your price points are also higher here. You're going to start in your mid 6s and up from there into the $1 million plus because of the size of the homes here. So, but what people really love about this area, obviously, you've got your sidewalks, you've got your amenity that is dedicated here. You do get either waterfront lots, or just they back up to a green grass area, hedge fence area. So you get more room here for your money. You also can take advantage of the Esplanade amenities while they remain private and open, or public and open. So here you'll find your newer homes, 2022 or newer, which means hurricane rated construction, modern finishes. Now this community is completely built out, sold already. So if you buy in here, you are looking at a resale at this point to no customization. And really what people love about here, and what's great about this community, is you get that Azario location. You have access to the amenities while they're still public, but you don't have to pay the extra luxury rates, right? So you don't pay the extra resort fees or golf fees if you don't want them, but you get that quality Taylor Morrison built product. So really it depends on what you're looking for. That's what I would say. People who want to buy here, they're looking for the quality, the location, but not the extra cost. The townhomes at Azario are some of the newest portions of the Azario community. And this was really a great way to introduce the Azario community to people who are looking for part-time residents or first-time home buyers, professionals who are looking to get into this Lakewood Ranch area at a great price point. You're looking at in the mid to high 200s. These townhomes range from 2-bedroom to 3-bedroom, and 2 bath to 2.5 bath. And they are all 2-story. They all include a 1-car garage. And you also have your own little amenity center here. So for $222 a month HOA currently, you have a pool and a dog park here. So you have your own dedicated pool and amenity area. So you also, as of right now, because Esplanade Golf Community is still open to the public, you do have access to their clubhouse center over there and the Bahama Bar and the pool. But once they close and go private, that will no longer be an option for this particular area of the community. But you'll always have your own pool and dog park area and walking trails. So again, this area really was catered and centered on convenience, walkability. They are opening up a new Publix literally right around the corner. So that'll be something you can bike or walk to. And it's a great price point for entry level. Just maybe you're not sure you want to live in this area. It's a great investment, because then if you want to hold on to it and rent it out, they do have 1-month minimum rentals here. So that is a great opportunity for anyone looking to move into the area. So we have, again, 2 bedrooms to start around the 1,130 square feet, and the 3 bedrooms go up to just over 1,500 square feet. I'm going to be taking you on a tour today of the Jasmine, and this is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, right around 1,350 square feet. And then we'll also go take a look at a 2-bedroom as well. But just a quick reminder, this HOA fee at $222 also includes your roof and exterior maintenance and lawn care. So this is truly a low maintenance lifestyle here at the Townhomes at Azario. Well, what did you think about all the options you have here at Azario? Are you looking for more of that luxury golf, all-inclusive, 5-star resort feel? Or maybe you're just looking for something part-time at the Townhomes. Possibly you have a big family that you're looking to settle in the area. Regardless, there are so many choices here within these 3 communities at Azario. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on those notifications, leave any questions you have below. And until then, I look forward to seeing you on the next video.